Here's how to lace authentic Vans in a standard style. Start by taking your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets at the bottom here, and we're going to go down into them from above. So just feed that lace end through, but don't worry about pulling it all the way. Swap to the other one, and feed that lace end through the other side, down from above, just like I'm doing here. And before you pull those through all the way, pinch them together like this so they're even. Grab hold of your Vans and just yank that lace through, and what this will mean is your laces will come out of equal length. If there's any twists or turns, don't worry about it, that's totally normal when lacing shoes, it's going to happen. And then we can begin. Now we're going to start by taking this lace and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue, and we're going to bring it down into the second eyelet up from the bottom here, from above, just like this. Let's pull it through, making sure there's no twists. Swap to the other one, and we're going to do the exact same on the other side. We're going to take this lace end down into the empty eyelet here, from above, just like this, pulling it through, just like that. Keep a hold of this lace, and we're going to bring it over and down into the next empty eyelet on this side from above, pull it through, swap to the other lace, bring it over and down into the next empty eyelet on this side. Just like this. Looking good. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into this empty eyelet here. Nice. Swap back to the other one, bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into this empty eyelet here. Now at this point, we should be at the final eyelets. If your feet are bigger or smaller than mine, your Vans will have more or less eyelets. Just follow that exact same pattern. And when you get to the top empty eyelets here, stop here and I'm going to give you a choice. So we can either go ahead and do a crisp lacing like this, or if you want a bow showing on the standard pattern, we'll do it like this. And I'll show you how to do both. So keep a hold of this lace, and this is for the bow. We're going to go up into the final eyelet from underneath this time, if that makes sense. Pull it through, making sure we don't have any twists. Take the other lace and do the same. Bring it up into the top eyelet from underneath, pulling it through. And then you can just go ahead and bow your Vans as normal when you're wearing them. And you have a bow showing, which I think looks good. But if you want a crisper standard lacing look, we do something a little different. So I'll just undo those two. And what we're going to do for this crisper look is keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the final eyelet from above, just like we've been doing throughout the whole pattern. Swap to the other one, and we're going to take it down into this eyelet from above. And that's looking real crisp now. And then what we're going to do is tie quite a loose bow, like this. And then we're literally just going to tuck it underneath the sneaker tongue, out the way, so you can have a really crisp looking pattern without the bow. Now these laces are super soft. It shouldn't bother the top of your foot at all when you put your foot inside the shoe, and you'll just be able to slip them on and off without the need for tying them each time. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thanks!